Msaidie. Msaidie. Beloro msaidie, weka tu hapo. Msaidie.
Vuta hiyo.
Lift my legs. Support this, support.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
You could have lowered it.
No, it's okay.
Oh yeah.
Mheshimiwa.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay, Mheshimiwa.
Thank you. We are not gonna go the pain. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus. You are faithful, Jesus. I will always bank on your faithfulness.
Can we go?
Jesus, your faithfulness.
Wacha nimuinulie kichwa.
Your faithfulness. Not that way. The way I'm lying is good, but push me a little bit ahead.
The owner of the vehicle, the one who was in charge of this vehicle, was the women representative of Migori, that is Madam Pamela Odhiambo, alongside 3 of his aides, one of whom has passed away. So when we arrived at this scene, we tried to salvage the people who were inside the occupants, that is, and the vehicle was just within a ditch, so we tried to roll it over. Some people are also trying to immobilize the doors and the windows so that we could get into contact with these people. So once the door was opened and the vehicle rolled to the other side, we managed to bring out the occupants, that is 2 of them plus the women rep, who are rushed to the hospital. Now the other guy, that is as confirmed by the officers who arrived moments later, was a police officer who was also a bodyguard to the women rep. Now when we tried to touch the bodies, like he had passed on some minutes ago, and there was a motorbike occupant who was ahead. Now they were trying to stop hitting the motorbike, then the vehicle, it veered and reeved, flying at a height, then it landed into the ditch.